Well, hello there. Ruby here. You caught me just in time. I'm headed to town for a while. Mr. Wolfman, the manager of the library, is hosting the annual Easter egg hunt. And guess what?
What?
The winner of the hunt gets to select a library book to keep for themselves.
Yes!
What in tarnation am I seeing? The Three Little Pigs.
Hello. Oh, I found one.
Hold up, little piggy. That egg's not for hunting. That's my egg.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ruby. My brothers and I are on our way to the library for an Easter egg hunt. And I thought this is where the hunt was.
Apology accepted. I'm on my way to the Easter egg hunt, too. Why don't you three follow me? We can go together.
Yay! Yippee!
Let's go! I thought the Easter egg hunt was at the library.
Hello there, little piggies. I've been expecting you.
But I thought the Easter egg hunt was at the library. You don't look like Mr. Wolfman, the manager of the library.
And this doesn't look like the library.
Looks like Mr. Wolfman has some explaining to do, right?
The library had to close for an emergency, so we had to, move the hunt here, in the fields. Yeah, in the fields.
Okay. Listen up, little piggies. Line up. And when I count to 3, go as fast as you can, trampling through the fields and find those eggs. Whoever has the most eggs in their basket when the timer is up is the winner of the Easter egg hunt. Are you ready? Let the hunting games begin. Okay, little piggies, let's take a look in your baskets to see who has the most eggs. Piggy number 1 has 4 eggs. Good job, little piggy. Piggy number 2 has 3 eggs. A wonderful job you did, little piggy. And pig number 3 has 6 eggs. Wow! Congratulations, little piggy. You have the most eggs in your basket.
What did I win?
You won a book from the library. Where is Mr. Wolfman, the manager of the library?
Where is he? Mr. Wolfman, where are you? We have a winner. Would you look at that? Looks like Mr. Wolfman isn't the manager of the library after all, doesn't it? Let's leave Mr. Wolf alone and let him sleep. I have a feeling he's been chasing pigs and finding eggs all day. Come on, piggies. Let's go back to my camper, and I'll serve you up some of my good old apple pie.
Yay! Woo! Apple pie!
But what about my book? I won the Easter egg hunt. The winner was supposed to get a book from the library to keep all for himself.
Listen up, little friend. I have many books to choose from in my library. I'd be delighted to have you pick whichever one your little piggy heart desires. Thank you for joining me, friends. See you next time for another tale here on Ruby's Storytime.
Oh, do you like fairy tales? Don't forget to visit our fairy tale store at familyroberto.com. Toodles! La, 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 la.